Just hanging out here with COVID. 50 minutes till I gotta leave for work. Get a quick session in. All right, I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna try to just do some power fishing. Hit my spot, and I gotta be out of here. See if I can't make it happen. Caught a little one biting on the gardener grub. Let's see if we can't make that happen again. Maybe upgrade our size. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move spots here. Got time to do this about once. Let's see if the next place holds a little more. Just try to hit it and move, hit it and move.
Another quick morning session before work. Look at that tail, so cool. Beautiful fish right here on that heavy shaky head and leech combo. The moon is still up, the wind is going, it is chilly. We're gonna try and catch one more though before the day's over. No.
So it's pretty filthy here, and there's a lot of water clarity is decent though, so it's on the pylons. We're about to move to a spot where we're not so much stuck on the pylons, but we're able to cast into the docks a little more.
Yeah, the water clarity has been extremely clear lately, so it's kind of gonna have a change. But with all the debris in the water, it does make it a little bit harder to fish.
Predator grub. Move into a trim down, sudden impact. See what happens.
In the 12-13 range. He's got a belly on him.
Here we go.
Huge circle.
Passing by me. All right, one for this session. Hooked into a second one. Lost it while I was trying to bring him up and over a rope. What are you gonna do? That's what happens when you're fishing it in tight. All right, I've got just about an hour today. This is day 2. I'm gonna try to avoid switching spots today. Kind of capitalize at spot number 2 from yesterday. I didn't really have time to hit everything I wanted, so hopefully I can pick this spot apart a little more today. Start out with cut down mini sudden impact fluke on a Deeks jig. Little underspin, hot Cheeto. See what I get with that. All right, I'm pretty sure I got that one off camera. Caught him a ways down, off a structure, out in the open. See if I could develop a pattern from that. Go try it again. But missing that fish.
That might be my one fish for the day. And I knew my leader was a little bit torn up just from one fish. And I went, all right, perfect. I can get one fish on this leader. Just retie. You save yourself agony and sorrow and sadness. Yeah, that's probably right in the middle of this slope, which makes me laugh. I'll play it where it lies.
Exposed to
A bigger fish coming in. It was like more of a smoky fish.
yeah, smells almost a worm. Not sure what Bill calls this one, but I chopped it down so it worked good for spotties.
On my phone or yours?
Hey, just come around this side so we're in the light.
Alright, looks good. Let's go like that.
Cut down a long grub worm thing. Cut. You start a new one real quick. Get me a sideways though.
Inch black and blue leech on the heavy shaky head.
The Deeks jig.
Correct. Deeks.
Yeah, get a nice.
We give them little kisses. Grow up big and strong.
All right, I'm going to start exploring with this ribbon tail a little more. You see, it got me right behind the hook. Broke it off. Had another one that did something very similar. So they're seeming to like this, and they're definitely hitting it on the fall. Time to get back to work. See you for day 3. All right, I'm on day 3 here. Tail end of the week. Actually out a little earlier, and I don't have work today, so should be. I'm back at the same spot again because I didn't really get to pick apart as much as I wanted. When you've only got a little under an hour, can't really explore a spot the way you would like. So hopefully. Also, probably going to start raining in the next couple hours. So with low barometric pressure, we get a little more of a turned on bite. The luck yesterday on this cut down sudden impact ribbon tail. So I'll start off with that, see what we make happen. Got a short bite a little earlier. This is what I've been using. I want to switch up to more of a natural color. See if with this low visibility, this gets hit a little more. Take it from there. Well, it definitely made a difference. They hit it, but they did short bite it. Yeah. I was actually worried about landing him because I caught him in kind of a sketchy spot. So he was pulling against the dock. He was pulling against the stair system they had. Got him on that craw on the Deeks jig again. Shaky head. I'm going to measure him against my rod. He goes right about to the top of the reel. Just to kind of show you where that one was caught, give you a little perspective. I'd cast down in between there, and he was pulling me back up against these stairs. I had to bounce him up, back over. Because I thought I caught my PB spotty, but it was a sand bass. Not as exciting as a big ass spotty, but still pretty cool. Really good fight, especially on 12-pound. Using that HD craw on the deek shaky head. See if you can't get a better. What's really working for me is I'm keeping it heavily sauced up because of that low visibility. But yeah. Right. Couldn't be more stoked. Biggest fish I've caught. All right, the sun's coming up. This whole area is starting to wake up. Plenty of people around. Kind of learned a lot fishing in some rough conditions. Not anything was necessarily ideal, but we made it happen every day. And that'll probably be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.